Welcome to Redline Review, an ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle and performance that is comparable to that of a hypercar are anticipated to be features of the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome that will be released in 2026. Despite the fact that Bugatti has not made any remarks, there have been multiple speculative designs and partnerships that point to a recreational vehicle that bears the Bugatti moniker. Design and the outer appearance. One may anticipate that the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome will be a vehicle that is both aerodynamic and athletic. Flowing lines and a grille in the shape of a horseshoe are two characteristics that distinguish the design of Bugatti vehicles. The construction is both sturdy and lightweight since it makes use of cutting-edge materials such as carbon fiber instead of traditional materials. The reduction in drag that occurs as a result of aerodynamic efficiency leads to improvements in both performance and fuel economy. Facilities and the interior of the building. Luxurious living areas that are ornamented with polished wood, unique linens, and elegant leather furnishings are some of the features that could be included in the lavish interior. The contemporary kitchen features a large amount of storage space in addition to high-end appliances. Innovative approaches to entertainment, temperature control, and the integration of smart home technologies. A luxurious bedroom that serves as a comfortable retreat for relaxation. Effectiveness and capabilities separately and respectively. Based on Bugatti's performance history, it appears that the recreational vehicle, RV, may be equipped with a potent hybrid drivetrain that is capable of producing a significant amount of torque and horsepower. By utilizing cutting-edge suspension technology, a ride that is comfortable across a variety of terrains can be guaranteed. The greater traction and stability that accompany all-wheel drive are two of its many benefits. In order to achieve its off-road capabilities, the vehicle is equipped with technologies such as advanced traction control and high ground clearance. In terms of both cost and availability, as a result of the speculative nature of this concept, our understanding of its pricing and availability is still lacking. Nevertheless, due to the fact that Bugatti is such a well-known brand, the price of such a recreational vehicle would most likely end up being several $million. In spite of the fact that it is only a concept, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome provides individuals who dream of living on the go with the highest possible level of performance and style. Bugatti's extraordinary engineering, unsurpassed comfort, and unparalleled design would trigger a revolution in the market for leisure vehicles. This revolution would be brought about by Bugatti,